Oh my God. Chi Zero packaging, $744. What up, Chi here. I am done shopping at the Sephora VIB Sale Fall Winter 2021. So here's the haul. If you didn't catch my recommendations, that out, it'll be linked in the cards for your viewing pleasure. This is gonna be a whole little grab and go situation, but I got the Farmacy Trio set. This is the Green Clean Cleansing Balm. Because this is a wash off product, I really don't care about the fragrance that will be in these, but it's strawberry basil, lemon mint, and peach thyme. It sounds like something that would be really refreshing either in a salad or a cocktail, but I would be putting this all up on my face. The good thing about it is that the size of this, it's not like a mini product. This is a regular size. Like, they have this size and their jumbo size. So the fact that you get 3 of them, it was just like, yes, I'm getting this. Show you what it looks like. This is the strawberry one. Oh yes. This smells delightful. So happy I got this. I was debating on whether I should get the regular one just in case this didn't work out, but honey, this strawberry one's good. Let me see. We got time today, so I'm gonna smell all of them. This is the lemon thyme. I don't get much of the scent with that one. We have the peach. Obviously, this is gonna be orange. It smells more like a tangerine. I like that. Right now, the strawberry one is the best scented one that you can really, really smell, but if you break into that first layer, I probably get more of that scent. But I'm not here for the scents. I'm here for the actual cleansing ability. Of course, I picked up the Milk Disco Daze set, which had the miniature spray and the full-size Hydro Grip primer. So I don't think I realized it came in the bag. I don't know if this is supposed to be scrunched up like this, but I don't know, that worries me a little bit. Nothing looks used, but it's supposed to look like a disco ball, so I get it, but it's cool. I'm glad it did come in a little zip bag because I definitely could put some, you know, miniature skincare items in here on a trip. So both of these products, absolutely love. They're just staples in my whole makeup routine. I did get the Hydro Grip eye and concealer primer. This is what it's looking like. I don't know about this one, guys. I'm just really curious to see what this is all about because it doesn't make sense. Like a concealer primer, like it makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. And I just gotta figure it out for myself. So I did pick this up. I almost forgot that this was in the box, but I thought I took it out of my cart, to be honest. But I gotta test this out. I might have to do that on camera. The Shiseido Cotton Squares and this Jack Black lip balm. These are just 2 things that I always pick up. Actually, I'm lying. This is the second time I've picked this up. I got this during maybe I want to say it was a Sephora sale maybe last year. Really, really love it. It has SPF 25 and this lemon shea smells delightful. Even in the wintertime, you should be protecting your lips with SPF, including your face. So definitely pick you up a little lip balm, and you know how I feel about the Shiseido Cotton Squares. They're bomb. If you watch my reps, you already know that I was trying to get me some Youth to the People. I have missed it in my routine. So I picked this Dreamer set up. It has the mask, which I'm super excited about. And then even the oil. The oil, honestly, go back to the review. It shocked me because it's kind of a dry oil and I was just in love with it. And then I've never tried their eye cream and I really wanted to try it. I recommended it in maybe, not the last video, the video before that, as far as recommendation videos. And I never picked it up. So the fact that it's in this set, your girl is happy. I gotta open up this cleansing balm because I want to know if it smells like the mask. Damn it, I can't smell anything. I can't smell it. I can't smell it. Maybe I gotta crack the top layer open, but I'm just hoping that once you emulsify this with water, it still maintains a nice slip to it. Y'all know my struggle with cleansing balms. I'll get really excited for one and then it'll thicken up when it's emulsified or the makeup just feels like it's just being sloshed around. I'm hoping that it does not do that. You'll see the first impressions when I actually do try it out, but fingers crossed. I did re-up on my Hyaluronic Acid by the INKEY list. This is a really great, inexpensive hyaluronic acid. If you're paying over maybe $20 for a hyaluronic acid, girl, you're getting robbed, sis, because this is probably the most accessible skincare items. It really shouldn't be that expensive, and the INKEY list makes a really great one. I like to put like a hydrating toner on and then place this on top and then another layer of hydrating toner. I'm telling you, sis, your skin will thank you, especially with the winter coming up. I did get the Tower 28 lip gloss set. I'm excited about this because of the caramel color. Like, come on now, get out the box. Look at this. Oh, she looks so scrumdiddlyumptious, doesn't she? Oh, she has like a glitter reflect in it. Oh no, not glitter. Oh no, mommy, no. I still cannot place this smell. Oh, she's a little reflect. I don't know how I feel. Well, it's not like majorly like Fenty Beauty glittery, but she's got something in there. Not sure if you can see, probably not, but there is some sort of glitter reflect in it, like a goldish color. It's not overly glittery, so I'm okay with that. And then this is just a clear gloss, I believe. It's called Chill. You can't go wrong with a clear gloss, because even over this lip, if I threw a little bit of gloss on, you know, she'd be looking a little fierce. I always forget that these Beautyblender sets come with soap, so this makes it an even better value, but I did end up getting this. Listen, I wanted the sponge and I got the sponge, okay? And from the looks of it, it doesn't even look that brown. It looks like a purple hue to it, but it's fine. At least I have some clean ones on deck because I don't think I have any fresh beauty blenders in my collection. I don't think so. But I also got mini soaps. I personally prefer the charcoal one. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these tiny ones. I never know what to do with these tiny ones. Do you guys actually use the soap that comes with it? So if we're gonna be honest, probably have like 5 of those soaps sitting around here. But it's cool. If I ever need the soap, your girl got soap. Your girl picked up the Danessa Myricks, a balm. This is in medium 3. I was going back and forth between 3 and 4, or is it dark 1? I forget what the next color, the next shade, okay? So I was going back and forth between the 2, but I just ended up going for medium 3, even though this is mainly for a tan complexion. Y'all know I ain't really been in the sun like that. Let's see how she looks. She looks like that. Love this packaging though. I love how this opens. I love when there's a huge button. This is what the shade is looking like. This might be a pretty decent shade. I want to swatch a little bit of it. We'll be alright. It's very, very light, but I've been going for a lighter contour. So, I mean, that should work out for me because I didn't want anything super dark. I've been growing up. I'm not giving you all the suction, you know, but, ooh, that's interesting. That does not feel sticky. You think balm and you think, oh, maybe a little sticky. That is not sticky at all. I'm gonna have fun with that. Y'all, I'm so hot in here. It's not even funny. For some reason, it wants to be warm outside. How dare Mother Nature play me like that? But I did get the Charlotte Tilbury mini set. She got a little fragrance to it. I don't know how I feel about that part, but hopefully it doesn't annoy me too much. I've heard and seen so many people talk about this and rave about it, and I just hope I get the same vibe with it. So if you didn't get that set, I don't know why you didn't. Why you not listening to my recommendations, girl? I really does hope, oh my God, what kind of English is that? Girl, you are tired. I really hope that it does hold on to the makeup like it claims. I know that Hydro Grip Primer and the setting spray work, because even when I'm sitting here sweating like a hooker in church right now, my makeup, once I blot it down, it still doesn't move, you know? So I really hope this setting spray is nice, but right now I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the scent of it. The final two things that I have are completely unexpected for me, because number one, I didn't recommend them, and number two, I have no idea how these smell. Your girl got a candle set. Oh my God. This is from VOLUSPA. We're gonna say it like that. But this is the advent calendar of candles. That's how you know sis was not feeling the love with the makeup thing. But you're supposed to open up each one. We're not gonna do that right now. We're just gonna open up from the side. I probably will play along with the whole advent calendar. Ooh, I can smell all of these right now, but here they are. They're like little shot glasses. They're extremely tiny, but I've never tried this brand before. If you guys didn't know, I love candles. I love anything that will make your house smell good. Ooh, that smells like a grown man. Okay, until vanilla. Ooh, I smell the lychee in this one. Okay. I just wanted something different. Like, who wants goji berry orange? Like, I want to know what that's about. But I'm kind of smelling them as I go along. And, ooh, oh yes. Like, I want some adult smells. Like, sometimes Bath and Body Works, like, you just keep getting the same scents, and like, it gets a little boring. Now, I know probably some of y'all are like, oh, why didn't you get Jackie's candles? I smelled her candles and I just didn't like them. I smelled the original 4, and there was only one that I kind of liked, but the brown set was coffee based, and I'm not a coffee drinker. I freaking hate the smell of coffee, the taste of coffee. Coffee, get it away from me. So I knew that wasn't going to be my vibe. And plus, even in her advertisements, I can see how her candle burns, and it's not a clean burn. Listen, I'm all the way heavily, deeply into candles. I like a clean burn. I don't want to see all that soot flying around, and I want it to have a really nice throw. I'm very serious when it comes to my candles. But I thought this little advent set was really nice, and it's something I can just, you know, burn one every day. But they also have this set. And this is the Japaneca Archive. First, second, and third of all, this packaging. Just take a look at this. What? Oh. Bitch. Do you see? We got to do that again. Do you see how this thing opened? Look. Girl. But this is, again, another set of candles. Ooh. God, this smells so good. So good. I do have a couple of repeats in here, but I'm okay with it because it smells so good. I love the setup of this particular package. Like, they give you a little, you know, spiel on what the candles, you know, are, and then they list all of the scents on this side and their notes. Oh, like the goji berry one has ripe mango, goji, and orange in it. I have a Baltic amber that has amber, sandalwood, and vanilla orchid. Ripening. Oh, This whole thing smells good. Oh my goodness. This, just the presentation alone. I'm keeping this box. Honey, I'm keeping this. I figured I'd try out these little sets right now because I can just get a bunch of the scents, and then I really wanted to get a diffuser for like my bedroom and hell, even in this studio. But I was like, let me try out the miniature candles, even though they're dumb small. But hey, that's what sis was willing to pay. This set was expensive. I don't even want to tell y'all how much these candles cost. Yes, they cost $75 each. Who cares? It's my money. I'll do what I want. It makes me happy. But it smells really, really nice. I hope they have a really good throw to them. This box, I can't stop rubbing this box. Oh, this is the most beautiful box I've ever seen. One question I do have for you guys out there, if you do buy candles, what's the return policy like on that? Because I know with foundations, I think if you use up like 25%, like you'll still be able to return it. Like, let's say I burn each one of these candles and decide I don't like this set and return it. This isn't going anywhere because this packaging is gorgeous. But let's say with that other one, if I'm not digging all of the scents, like, can I return it? Like, I don't know how it goes with the candles. But I would assume that, you know, if you burn it and decide you don't like it, you can return it, right? Let me know in the comment section if y'all bought candles, didn't like it, and returned it. But I'm really happy. If you're not sick of me, you can go ahead and check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.